Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AABB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a healthy day because the level of support that you would want to see act as support, although it was shaky for a while, ultimately did hold strong. And for those of you that have not watched any of the past videos, the level of support I'm talking about is that initial green line right there at 14 cents. And like I said, it was shaky because for a while the price was actually down below that level. But to be fair and give credit where credit's due, by the time the closing bell rang, the price had been able to not only get back above that level, but actually started to get some separation to the upside. So good to see that that area of support is holding so far, and that moving forward, that remains the key level that you want to see maintain and be strong right there at the 14 cent mark. So keep an eye on that area right there as that main area. And then as far as, the next overarching level of support, that would then be down there at the 10 cent mark. But 10 cents is probably a little irrelevant right now given, the price was able to demonstrate some strength by staying up above the 14 cent mark. So 14 cents, certainly that preferable level of support. And then next level, again, would be at the 10 cent mark. Now, what about areas of resistance? Well, same thing overall, just like we have the overall area of support down there at 10 cents, the overall level of resistance sits up here at the 19 cent mark. But if the price, before you really put too much focus on that, I do want to add in one more area, and that, let's try that again. That area of resistance would then be, there we go, would be right there at the 16.5 cent mark. So yes, 19 cents is without doubt an area of resistance, but my point is before you really put too much focus on that, let's first see if the price can get up above that 16.5 cent mark, because that'll be that initial area of resistance. So overall, yeah, not the greatest day, but it was at least a good day in the sense of that area of support was able to hold strong. So let's see how things continue to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.